Top 10 Simple Wealth Building Principles. 1. You should never spend more than you earn. If you spend more than you earn, you will never be able to begin your money development path. We are all enticed to spend money on luxury products such as the latest iPhone, an expensive watch, a new PlayStation, a vacation house, and so on, whether we are affluent or poor. However, this form of ostentatious consumption may not bring any value to your life while negatively harming your capacity to save money. In reality, most affluent individuals live fairly simply, which allows them to accumulate money that they may later utilize to expand their fortune. Furthermore, if you spend wisely, you will be able to reduce your debt, which will help you become financially independent. However, not all debt is harmful. A good debt, such as a home loan, allows you to acquire assets that can develop in value and increase your wealth. In contrast, bad debt refers to borrowing money to buy assets that depreciate over time. While this is an inefficient way to spend your money, a variety of financial products such as credit cards, no-cost ME deals, and purchase now, pay later offers are meant to encourage this irrational behavior. An easy method to lessen your odds of overspending is to reduce your debt and, if feasible, live debt-free. This will assist you in staying on track to achieve your money-building objectives. 2. Recognize your wealth creation motivation. Trying to earn riches just for the sake of becoming wealthy may not be the ideal motivator. In fact, if your primary incentive is to generate more money, you will struggle to stay focused and expand your wealth over time. Only through internalizing your goals will you be able to maintain the long-term concentration and drive necessary to attain your wealth-building objectives. For example, if you have a certain goal in mind, you will be more driven to achieve it. Saving for retirement or buying a new automobile are two examples of such goals. Other reasons to keep on track to attain your wealth development goals include pursuing an educational opportunity, sponsoring a philanthropic organization, and so on. Having a clear aim and motivation will help you overcome the myriad distractions that life throws at you and stay on track to reach your wealth-building objectives. 3. Put your money to work harder than you do. We are all working hard to increase our earnings. Earning more allows us to save more and accumulate more money. Having a backup source of income by effectively investing our money, on the other hand, can help us achieve our financial goals sooner and with greater comfort. 4. Allow your investments enough time to mature. You must allow your investments enough time to flourish, no matter how carefully you plan them. While a youthful investor may lack capital, time is on their favor. The opposite is true for senior investors. They may have more money to invest, but they have less leisure to watch their money develop. Starting investing early in life, regardless of the amount invested, is one strategy to ensure that your assets have more time to develop. This will guarantee that you may continue to add to your investment corpus slowly and gradually, preventing you from stressing your finances later in life by attempting to save more in a short period of time. As a result, as an investor, you need to appreciate the importance of time and invest for the long term to guarantee you meet your wealth development objectives. 5. Understand how you can benefit from compounding. Compounding is the process through which your investments grow over time. While it is one of the most potent instruments for wealth building, it may appear difficult at first. This is due to the fact that compounding begins slowly, but as time passes and your wealth develops, your money will begin to grow considerably quicker. This is why, when you begin your financial journey, the amount you invest counts more than the returns. 6. Understand how to use leverage. Working harder and earning more money may not be enough to ensure that you attain your wealth creation objectives. This might be due to a lack of time to work, after attending to other everyday duties. Furthermore, we all have limited cash and investment, knowledge, and talent. This is where leverage may help you increase your capital more quickly. Financial leverage is an example of leverage, because professionals such as fund managers and banks use the money of others to make money for themselves. Other examples include time leverage and technological leverage, in which individuals and businesses use the expertise of specialists to do more than their own capacities. In reality, using leverage effectively may help you get to your wealth development objective faster by using the abilities of others. Investing in equities through an equity mutual fund is one method to use leverage. This offers you access to a professional fund manager's talents to help you develop your money. 7. Do not compare your wealth objectives to those of your peers. We have a habit of comparing our personal accomplishments to those of our peers. These comparisons might range from job achievements to monthly compensation. When it comes to wealth accumulation, we may find ourselves comparing our savings to those of others, which might limit our potential to achieve financial objectives. The issue is that these financial objectives tend to shift over time. To avoid deviating from your financial aim, you must have well-defined goals. One method is to compile a complete list of your wealth growth objectives for the following 5 years. This list should contain specifics such as the precise objective, such as the amount you need to save, how soon you need to accomplish the goal, a plan to attain the goal, and how you want to reward yourself after you have met the target. 8. Do not take shortcuts to achieve your financial objectives. When it comes to investing opportunities, you as an investor are spoiled for choice. These include tried and true investing choices like mutual funds, ETFs, sovereign gold bonds, and FDS, among others. However, many people are drawn to new and unproven assets, such as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, cryptocurrencies, green technology, and so on. However, many individual investors may find it difficult to take a shortcut by investing in these new and unproven items. This is due to the fact that, while these new investments may be attractive, they lack the established track record of traditional and less intriguing investment channels. So, rather than taking a shortcut to accomplish your wealth development target sooner, it is best to invest consistently and slowly in an established and tested investment alternative. 9. Never, ever stop learning. Understanding money management and financial goods can offer you an advantage in your wealth development activities. It used to be difficult to get knowledge regarding these areas of finance, but that is no longer the case. You can now get in-depth knowledge on money management and how various financial products work by visiting websites, such as the ET Money website, checking social media, and even using educational apps. You should absolutely take advantage of the fact that locating and accessing information has gotten much easier to continually polish your grasp of crucial facets of money management. If you make studying a lifetime habit, you will be in a far better position to develop your wealth than those who do not. 10. Increase your value to generate more wealth. It has been claimed that the money one earns over their lifetime is determined by the value that one delivers. This relationship between value and money explains why high-level management officials are paid much more than entry-level labor. The same is true for businesses. A firm that offers consumers with valuable products or services is valued more than a company that does not supply similarly beneficial products or services. The same holds true for wealth generation. Individuals that can deliver more value than others will be in a better position to commercialize their skills and abilities to build money than others. It makes no difference if these abilities are related to entertaining, writing, marketing, or cooking. If you can do any activity better than your peers and monetize it, you will gain a jump start on your wealth development journey.